Carrying over the successful CX-7 formula into 2012, Mazda maintains the energetic sports car-like zest of this mid-sized crossover while sacrificing none of its appealing 5-passenger SUV characteristics. Available in front-wheel and all-wheel drive configurations, the CX-7 is offered in I and S series and spanning 4 trim levels. Highlights of the CX-7 include a multi-information display that provides trip data, maintenance reminders, and messages. Drivers will appreciate the convenience of available Bluetooth hands-free phone and audio connectivity, navigation, rear-view camera, and blind spot monitoring. A 2.5-liter inline-4 provides base power for the CX-7, sending 161 horsepower to the front wheels through a 5-speed automatic transmission. The uprated S models get a turbocharged 2.3-liter inline-4, routing 244 horsepower through a 6-speed automatic to the front wheels or available all-wheel drive. Here are the highest and lowest EPA estimates for fuel economy. The CX-7 is backed by a 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. Sporty styling and performance, blended with practical refinements, keep the 2012 Mazda CX-7 in the heart of the mid-size crossover market.